Hi, and thank you for watching. We are doing an unboxing today. I've had my eye on some things and I wanted to try my luck. They had what I wanted and I want to share them with you. If you want to see my Louis Vuitton unboxing, then stay tuned. When I look at things online, they have like this classic brown bag that I think would be so pretty. This is very loud. Here is the merchandise and let's just get right into it. So this pouch, this is how the receipt comes, if you don't know. This is a bigger box. Let me slide this ribbon off. So this opens up like so. There's the dust bag right here. Please don't ask me to pronounce what this is.
Et voyage.
So in the dust bag, we have laptop case. So this is a wide open zipper. It goes like this all the way down. And when you open it, there is a slot in here. So you could put like, I don't know, your charger or something. Oh, what's this? Manual. I got the MM size because my laptop is 13 inches. I believe they have a smaller size for like iPads and then they have a larger size. Does this even fit it? Does this not fit my laptop for real? I feel like I'm like putting jeans on or something. I did open one of these because I mentioned it in a previous video. So it comes wrapped like this. Super cute, you guys. Like how sweet is this? And I love this because you don't have to mess up the bow. Just open this up like this. And it's a small leather good. Comes with a dust bag. This is the key pouch. And it just looks like this. This key pouch is so lovely. I love this thing. There's a zipper on top. It's quite spacious in here, if you ask me. And there is this keychain. It doesn't just press that way. You have to like put it upward and then press it out. Did you see that? You go up and then out. And then you just hook your keys onto here or whatever your heart's desire. I've seen people put this on purses and I think it looks really cute as well. It's not like crazy extravagant. This is definitely a really cute little chic piece that I'm really excited to have. And I love this. Well, you know what? I haven't even done my nails yet for the week. Maybe I'll try to undo my keychain at the end. Maybe. I did buy something else key related. It's in the same kind of packaging, just like this. I really like these, by the way. So this little card thing, I like this because it's much smaller than the very obnoxious bag. This envelope holder right here holds an envelope. So you pull this out, there's a little baby envelope inside and a little card so you can write whatever you like on it. To my secret admirer, will you go to prom with me? Kiss me under the mistletoe. Merry Christmas. I really like the movie The Holiday. In all the England scenes, they say Happy Christmas. Is that something? Because I think that's really charming. Probably what I would write in here. To myself, Happy Christmas. Thanks. I just wanted to show you the envelope because I didn't show you last time. So again, we'll slide this guy open. This is a 6 key holder and there are 2 colors for this guy. So this is fuchsia, obviously the button is fuchsia. And when you open it up, it's fuchsia inside and it just has slots, 6 rings for 6 keys. I love this. There's a sleeve here that goes all the way through. I don't always put my sunglasses in their case. I throw them in my purse a lot and they always get scratched up with my keys. So this is a really nice way to have everything covered and protected. I've scratched phone cases, phone screens, sunglasses, and all that with my keys. And I don't know, I just thought this was like a really fun and chic kind of deal. Slide this out. This key ring will drop and then you can put your key on it. I already obviously did. And you just go behind here, put it back on. Ta-da! And now is the big reveal. This was the first thing that I asked if they had available, and the website says that it's not available anywhere. I'm signed up on 2 different email addresses to notify me when this is. So I went in and I asked, and they said yes. So here it is, my dream bag. I'm really excited about it, if you cannot tell. Ta-da! Like that. I have not unboxed this yet, so I'm really excited. This is the Pochette Matisse. This is sold out a lot of places, so if you have your eye on this guy, purchase it. So this is a crossbody bag with a top handle. This is vachetta leather on top, so it's untreated, and it's a very light color, but this bag is everything. So I first saw this bag on Tony Sivdalis' channel, and then I've seen Vanessa Hudgens using it, and it is just such a beautiful bag. So to open this, it used to be the 2 knobs here, you'd have to press them together, but now it's just one single clasp right there. this will do the unlocking. As they continue to release this bag, they are improving the quality even more so. This one specifically, I would say get this new. And also things that have vachetta leather or like untreated leather. I like the idea of purchasing this new because this is new. It's not worn or anything like that. And then when it does wear throughout the years, like it'll be my doing, and it's almost like I'll be adding character to this bag. So if you open this, there is quite a lot of room in here, and it comes with a strap. I like this because this spins. I think this strap is so perfect. I love this bag, you guys. This is so beautiful. There's like plastic on this. And then also there's a pocket in the back. There are 2 Nordstrom locations that have Louis Vuitton. It's Seattle and Chicago. So I'm very fortunate to live close to the Seattle location. This is not anything I would have been able to do on an impulse buy. This took a lot of work and planning, but she's here and I love her so much. That is it, you guys. That is my Louis Vuitton haul and unboxing. Thank you so much for watching. This isn't anything too deep or anything like that. I just wanted to do something glamorous and luxurious and fun, and I wanted to share it with you. So yeah, thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in my next video.